So you just brought up a very, very valid point about this is a practice in order to remain a clear channel. Do you happen to have like a daily spiritual hygiene practice that you can remain a clear channel?
Yes, yes. And if I don't do it, I better not be channeling because it's necessary. It's necessary for me to be able to serve in the way that I do. So mine includes time in nature.
Nice.
Lucky for me, I have a little backyard and it is a garden. It's a
Oh, how
food forest. My
beautiful.
son and I planted together. We have papayas and bananas and mangoes, and like you can imagine, all the tropical things that would grow are in my backyard. And vegetables and greens and things of that nature too. So along with that comes worms and birds and squirrels and mice, all kinds of beautiful, wonderful animal creatures. And being outdoors allows me to release all of the dense energy I've absorbed,
Mm,
and Mother Earth just helps me with that. She just helps me drain that. And she knows how to compost. So she turns that energy into something that's more usable for her. And then I just get delight from all the life around me and the way my plants
yeah.
are growing, and how perfect nature is, and how much harmony there is in the natural world. So that is absolutely crucial. And then, of course, a meditation practice is essential.
Mhm.
I'm not a great meditator. I pretty much suck at it. But I show up to it nonetheless, and I keep going. I have crystals that I use that really help me ground and
Oh,
center and
beautiful.
clear. And I believe a high vibrational diet, it's important for me. So I keep a plant-based diet.
Nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of things. Whatever brings you health,
Mhm.
well-being, joy is belongs on your list of bodacious self-care. And that's what helps me be a clear channel.
I love that. I love that you and your son have made this food forest. That's definitely something that my son and I have talked about. I mean, I'm in New York, so it's going to be a little difficult to do, but it is definitely a dream of ours. And he also wants to grow bananas. So
Oh, wow. I don't know if it will grow in New
probably
York.
not, but I might have to do it inside, but that's okay. I'm willing to try. And but I respect that so much that you are outside in nature, honoring the earth and taking such joy, it sounds like, from the living beings. And that just it shows how much you're committed to your craft and also just being a conscious, clear channel. That's just it's so important. I love that. So
Yes,
cool.
thank you. It is. And definitely grow stuff with your son because it has really deepened our relationship. I mean,
Yes,
he's older now, so it's kind of me alone in the garden
you're
these
right.
days.
But when he comes to
But
visit,
I mean, no, he's not. He still lives. He's still a minor.
oh,
Um,
you're like, but is he a teenager?
Busy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I
And
understand.
yeah, it was one of the best things I've done for our
I love
relationship,
that.
and we can still connect. And sometimes I just drag him out to the garden. You will notice these bananas. You will,
I love
you will help
this.
me harvest this. And he's like, okay, fine. And he does delight in it.
Oh my goodness. That's so cool.